Hi guys, welcome to exam pad. In today's class they have given this expression. They ask us to find the equivalent value for this. So let's start our solution. So solution for this question is, okay, first take the equation x power 6 minus x power 4 which is equal to 100. So now I'm going to write this 6 as 3 into 2. Similarly I'm going to write this 4 as 2 into 2 which is equal to 100. So we know a rule, that is a power m, the whole power n can return as a power m into n. So if you see here, this is in the form of x power 3 into 2 is in the form. So this can also be written as x square the whole power cube. So we can also write like this. So just replace that. Therefore x square the whole cube minus x square the whole square which is equal to 100. Now I am going to let x square is equal to a. So just apply that here. Therefore a cube minus a square which is equal to 100. So now I am going to change this 100 as 125 minus 25 is equal to 100, is it? So just apply that. Therefore a cube minus a square is which is equal to 125 minus 25. Okay, so we obviously know that 5 cube is equal to 125, 5 square is equal to 25. Okay, so just replace that with here. Therefore a cube minus a square is equal to 5 cube minus 5 square. So now I am going to shift this whole term towards right hand side. Therefore this becomes a cube minus 5 cube minus a cube plus 5 square which is equal to 0. So now pad cube and square separately. Therefore here I am going to take minus as common. Therefore a square minus 5 square as common which is equal to 0. So if you see here, this is in the form of a cube minus b cube which is equal to what? A minus b of a square plus ab plus b square. Similarly, if you see, this is in the form of a square minus b square which is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So this is what the formula. So just use that formula in this place. Therefore this becomes a minus 5. So just replace b as 5 into a square plus 5a plus 5 square is 25 minus of, so keep a square bracket to separate that, of, this is in the form of a square minus b square, so a plus b into a minus b, therefore a plus 5 multiplied by a minus 5, okay, which is equal to 0. So if you see here, a minus 5 is common, so take that out. So if I take a minus 5 as common, so remaining is the whole term a square plus 5a plus 25, and the remaining term is minus half a plus 5, okay, which is equal to 0. So just this multiple this minus inside, therefore minus a minus 5, okay, which is equal to 0. So now if you see here, a minus 5 of, so just write a square, 5a minus a is plus 4a, similarly plus 25 minus 5 is 20 which is equal to 0. So now I am going to equate that to 0 separately. Therefore a minus 5 is equal to 0. Similarly a square plus 4a plus 20 is equal to 0. So by seeing this, a is equal to 5. So here I found a is equal to 5, but we actually found x value. So we already know a is equal to x square which is equal to 5. So I need only x value. So just take root on both sides. Therefore the square and root get cancelled. So if I take square, then square root, its answer must be in plus or minus. So I get answer as plus or minus root 5. Okay, so it's the one of the answer. So by using this, we are going to find the another value. So for that just I am going to take this equation, a square plus 4a plus 20 is equal to 0. So by seeing this, we can't solve this by factorization method. So I am going to solve this by formula method. So the formula was a is equal to, here I am going to assume this coefficient as a, this coefficient as b, this coefficient as therefore b minus b plus or minus the root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, here a is this variable and here this a mentioned the coefficient of a variable. Okay, so both are different. So just apply. Here a is equal to, so a is equal to 1. So just replace that as 1. Here also a is equal to 1. Just replace that as 1. So therefore a is equal to, this a is this variable, but this a indicates the coefficient of a square. Okay, be clear on that. So therefore a is equal to minus b is 4 plus or minus the root of 4 square minus 4 of a. Here a is coefficient of this a square is 1 and c is 20 divided by 2 into a is 2 into 1. So now a is equal to minus 4 plus or minus the root of 4 square is 16 minus 4 into 20 is 80 divided by 2. Okay, now 80 minus 6 is 7, balance 1, 4, 7 minus 1, 6. Therefore a is equal to minus 4 plus or minus the root of minus 64 divided by 2. Okay, so 64 is, obviously we know 64 is equal to a square. Similarly minus 1 is equal to I square. So replace that with here. Therefore a is equal to minus 4 plus 1. So instead of this minus 1, I am going to write this I square. Instead of the 64, I am going to write that with a square divided by 2. So for that, this 2 square and root get cancelled. Therefore minus 4 plus or minus 8i divided by 2. So therefore a is equal to 2 of minus 2 plus or minus 4i of divided by 2. So this 2 and this 2 get cancelled. Therefore a is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 4i. So this is the another value of a is in complex number. Complex number. So I need only x value. Therefore x square is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 4i. So I need only x value. So just take root on both sides. Therefore x is equal to, the square and root get cancelled. Therefore plus or minus the root of minus 2 plus or minus 4i. Okay, this is the another value. So already we found the another value we found before itself. Therefore plus or minus root 5. So this is the complex number, purely complex number. So we can't take this as the answer. Therefore the answer for this question is x is equal to plus or minus root 5. So practice twice and twice, you will get a perfect answer. Have a nice day. Bye bye.